Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to embed code in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account, then go to websites, and next to the website you want to embed a custom code on, click on this edit website button. I'm now inside my website editor, and to embed a custom code, it's simple. Just let's say I want to add a custom code here, or let's add a new blank section first. Let's say I want to add here a custom code. Simply click on elements and look for the custom code, or look for this embed code element, drag and drop it like that. Now click on enter code, delete this existing code, and for this tutorial I will embed a YouTube video from my channel. So let's get the embed code like that, paste it here, click on embed code, and directly you will see Hostinger, or you will see a preview. You may see a preview of your embed code. After that, click on update website, and let's view my website live. Let's scroll down to my embed code section, and this is the embed code live. And this is how to embed this is how to embed code in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.